If you want to make your Squarespace site look more polished and professional, one of the easiest things you can add is a quote block. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use quote blocks in Squarespace 7.1, step by step, so you can add testimonials, reviews, author quotes, and customer feedback to your pages quickly and cleanly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your website dashboard and click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. This opens the Fluid Engine grid, which is where you'll build and edit your page sections. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left corner of the section container and click Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can choose different types of content for your page. From the block grid menu, select Quote. As soon as you click it, Squarespace will drop a default placeholder testimonial onto your canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly how you want right away, because this is just a starting point and you can customize it fully. Next, click on the new quote block itself. When it's selected, look for the floating toolbar and click the pencil icon, which is the Edit option. This opens the quote block settings panel, where you can change the actual content and layout. Now go to the Content tab. This is where you'll fill in the main details of your quote block. In the quote field, type or paste the testimonial text you want to display. This could be a customer review, a short recommendation, a press quote, or any other piece of highlighted text you want to feature on your page. In the source field, enter the name of the author or the business entity. For example, you might use a name like Jane Doe, or a title like Jane Doe, CEO, depending on how you want the attribution to appear. This helps give the quote credibility and makes the content feel more authentic. If you want, you can also add a link. This is optional, but it's useful if you want to point visitors to the original source of the review or testimonial. For example, you could add a link to a Yelp review, a Google Business review, or another public source. That can be a great trust signal for your visitors. After that, check the layout options. Here you can choose how the quote block is aligned visually inside the block container. Squarespace lets you set the text to align left, center, or right, depending on the style you want for the page. If you want a clean, simple look, left alignment often works best. If you want something more centered and bold, center alignment can look great for featured testimonials. And if your design calls for a more editorial feel, right alignment can also be a nice option. Take a moment to preview how it looks on the page. The quote block should now match the style and tone of your website much better. If needed, you can go back in and adjust the wording, the source, the link, or the alignment until everything feels right. And that's it, you've now learned how to use quote blocks in Squarespace 7.1. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to build trust, add personality, or highlight a powerful testimonial on your site. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.